Here's how to view old Google satellite images. The best way is to use the Google Earth Pro. It's similar to Google Maps but designed for exploring the Earth. While there is an online version of Google Earth, it may not allow you to change the date to view different satellite imagery. To get Google Earth Pro, you need to search for Google Earth Pro and go to the Earth version's website. Now you need to scroll down and tap on Launch Earth option. Now select Explore Earth in the top right corner, or you can just go ahead and select the map that you have saved in your projects. Now from the top of the screen, there you'll see a toolbar. Go ahead and select Show Historical Imagery. Go ahead and tap on that icon. This will let you view older satellite images. A bar will appear allowing you to drag a toggle to select your desired date. For example, let's go back to 2012. Keep in mind that older images might have lower quality than current ones. And now you can go ahead and view it. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.